In this video, I will show you how you can turn off, shut down, or power off your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. And there are a couple of different methods you can use to do that. For the first method, just grab your iPhone, now just press and hold the side button with either of the volume buttons at the same time, just like that. And after you do that, the power menu will appear on the screen. And from here, you can slide the slider to power off your iPhone. Now this is the first method. For the second method, just open the control center, and in the control center you will find this power icon. Now just press on the power icon and the power menu will appear on the screen. And similarly, from here you can slide this slider to power off your iPhone. Now for the third method, just open settings, and under settings just tap on general. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option to shut down. Now just tap on it and the power menu will appear on the screen. Now from here, just slide the slider to power off your iPhone. And as you can see, we have successfully powered off our iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.